Tired of juggling your Garmin device between cars? The Garmin Mini Suction Cup Mount offers a simple, portable solution that keeps your Speak, Speak Plus, and Dash Cam models secure and within easy reach while you drive. No more hassle switching fixed mounts or struggling to find the perfect viewing angle. This compact mount attaches effortlessly to your windshield with a reliable suction cup. That means quick setup and removal without any tools or damage to your vehicle. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, your device stays perfectly positioned for safe, hands-free use. One of the best parts? It's compatible with several popular Garmin models, including Speak, Speak Plus, Dashcam 45, 55, and 65W. So if you own multiple devices or want to share the mount between cars, it's a versatile addition to your driving gear. Users rave about how much easier it is to switch their camera between two vehicles using this mount instead of the fixed one that came with the device. It's a must-have for anyone who values convenience and wants to keep their dash cams or voice assistants accessible without clutter. Imagine having your Garmin device ready to go in every car you drive, without the fuss of installing permanent mounts. The Mini Suction Cup Mount makes that possible, giving you freedom and flexibility on the road. Plus, its sleek design won't block your view or distract you while driving. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use mount that works across multiple Garmin devices, this is worth a look. It's a small upgrade that changes how you interact with your tech behind the wheel, making your drives smoother and safer. Ready to simplify your setup? Try the Garmin Mini Suction Cup Mount when you're ready to take your device wherever you go. It's practical, portable, and designed to keep you connected without the usual mounting headaches. Don't let fixed mounts limit your options. With this suction cup mount, your Garmin Speak or Dash Cam stays exactly where you need it, visible, secure, and easy to access. It's the smart choice for drivers who want flexibility and convenience every time they hit the road.